The next stage in our process is going to be building the foundation for this wall. So I thought I'd give you a preview of the size of the wall. Treated timber because it's going to be left exposed. The hillside up, the retaining part of it, is actually double the thickness of this block. So we're going to have to build a step for this foundation, as we can see here. And because we've got ramps wrapped around this wall, it made sense to pour all this out in preparation for our cement slabs that we're going to put on this. This was an add-on from our original design. We need to set this timber level in the trench we cut through the concrete earlier. We use our string and level to set pegs in the ground. Once this piece is level and screwed in, the form for this foundation contains steps in it. So this will be the system that drains all the water that gets trapped behind the wall like in a dam. Pushing the gravel along this foundation, but water can still sort of move through it without creating erosion. A temporary block here to help hold it all together.
Lay your head upon my shoulder, shut off your thoughts and clear your mind.